Cody.
Don't get me though.
Okay. Cody, give me the bird so we can go potty outside. Give me that bird. We'll give it back.
Give him the bird,
Give me
Cody.
the bird. Give it back. No, you gotta give me it.
Get the bird.
Gotta let go, boy.
You gotta go potty.
Potty outside.
Get the
You
toy
gotta give
back.
me the bird. You gotta give me it.
You have to go potty.
Elaine? What's wrong? You want it too? Potty?
She wants to go potty.
She wants to go potty and you won't go.
Cody, you gotta let go.
You gotta let it go.
Cody!
Settle down. No, grab him. Grab him. Well, you ready to go potty now?
Hurry,
Okay.